Namaskar. I am PK Singh, GST author, practitioner, and founder of the Institutes of GST Professionals of India. This video is regarding the GST professional courses. Dear friends, we received good response about the GST professionals' various courses: GST professional accountants, GST professional executive, GST professional practitioners, and GST professional pundits. One query is very similar asked by the many candidates, and that is about the duration of the course. Some people, in fact, they asked that, and they communicated that even some of the institution, coaching centers and all, they are giving 12 hours, 20 hours, and 25 hours classes, and they are saying that within that time frame, you will be the GST experts. So I'm not going to criticize those institutions. I know that some of the best institution is available in India, but if maybe they have their different objectives. But being a faculty of the GST and being management of the IGPAI, we knew that we cannot complete this course and we cannot complete these contents of the GST, whatever we designed, within the time frame of 25 hours. That is the reason GST professional accountant is for 45 hours. GST executive is designed for GST professional executive timing will be the 90 hours. GST professionals practitioner we designed for 125 hours, and the GST pundit we designed for 200 hours. What we are going to do this in this lockdown period will increase the timing based on the approval of the candidates who join the online courses. So instead of 80 days, maybe we'll complete in 50 days. Instead of 50 days, another GST professional practitioner, we can complete in 30 days. But we know that we are not forcing candidates to devote much time, because we feel that they have to do the homework also. And learning 3 to 4 hours is in easy. If the candidates will go for 5, 6, 7 hours, maybe they will not understand some of the topics. That is the reason we are trying to 3 to 4 hours per day, not beyond that. But yes, some of the candidates maybe they are very much comfortable, then we'll plan that. Second thing, that this batch will start 2 3 batch in coming 2 weeks. So this 4 and 5 batch will be in the regular, and then thereafter we plan that need 25 cities will open the offline classes for this GST professional courses. Those candidates, they will complete their GST professional course online. We will also meet them and we'll go for the 2 days classes in their own cities, and we'll discuss with them that. So in fact, we planned a lot of things for the candidates, those who will join this course. I would like to request all of you that please support us. Please fulfill, please work to fulfill the objectives of the Institutes of GST Professionals of India, because our objectives and motto is that we would like to create more skillful, perfect, expert GST practitioner in India. Without devoting the time, it's not practically feasible. I can say that, take the example of the supply. I know, being a GST faculty, because last a couple of years I deliver more than 600 lectures. I know this topic need 5 to 7 hours, and this is the major topic. Until unless you will not understand supply, you are not able to understand all other topics of the GST. Then the ITC, minimum 3 to 4 hours requirement is there. Then registration 2 to 4 hours. Returns, it may take 12 hours. So why I'm talking, because theoretical parts will cover, but we'll try to go in more practical way. More case laws will be there, more case study will be there, more computation examples will be there, and then the interpretation of the subject, GST. So that is the reasons I know that we cannot cover the syllabus. Whatever we are going to do these contents, whatever we decided, within 25 hours or 20 hours and whatever may be that. We assure all of you that, we can assure all of you that once you'll complete this course, you will perfectly talk to anyone with GST knowledge. You will feel that you are one of the expert of the GST. And with this challenge, we designed this course. We want to create the perfect professional, true GST professional, knowledgeable GST professional. And this cannot be possible once the candidates will think about the shortcut routes. Some of the people, they say that you will send the pen drive, you will learn that. And like already it's available in the market, various people they are selling the pen drives, you can buy and you can do the practice. It's every individual, they have their own plannings. Being an institution, we decided we'll give our 100%, will not compromise of the quality of the contents and educations. And that is the reason we are not going to give any any deduction as far as 200 hours, 125 hours, 90 hours, and 45 hours is concerned. It may increase 5 hours more because we want to cover whole GST syllabus in the practical ways. I hope you'll understand and you will join us. Those will join us, keep in the mind, no relaxation. No relaxation. If you want to be a GST professionals, genuine GST professionals, you can join us. We can promise from our side that we will try our best and then we'll create a pool of genuine, practically knowledgeable GST professionals in India. Thank you.